Hello my dears, this is Sarah from sheholdsdearly.com, and today I want to show you our Patriotic Farmhouse dining room. This process can be used with any type of table setup that you want to do, especially good for holidays. But today we're going to talk about how to give it a 4th of July flair. Okay, so first of all, you're going to want to do something that's going to act like a table runner. I didn't actually have a table runner for this project, but I did have some handkerchiefs. So I laid out these vintage linens across the table, acting like my table runner. Then you need to decide on a centerpiece. I just chose some simple white pictures and put a plant in there for a pop of green. Next, I like to bring in white dishes and layer these with colored pieces. So I just have a plaid napkin here and I'm opening it up and draping it so that it hangs off the table a little bit. And then for glasses, I'm just using pint-sized mason jars and of course using a paper straw, which always brings in a whole nother level of festivity. Add in some cupcakes and you'll be sure to be everyone's favorite. Well, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly and share my professional design advice and our vintage home life. All right, take care and I'll talk to you soon.